Hello, good morning. आज हम आए हैं IMM, which is Singapore's largest outlet mall. And यहाँ पे अभी तक I've seen Coach, I've seen Steve Madden, and I've seen Aldo. All of them brilliant prices. Like genuinely मैं तो बोलूँगी worth है. यहाँ पे अभी Pedro भी है. There's Onitsuka Tiger. There is also Charles and Keith. So obviously we'll be paying a visit there. Oh, there it is. And I've just got one pair from Steve Madden as of now. जो सेम ब्लैक चप्पल में पहनती हूँ रोज ऑफिस, वही मैंने वाइट में लिया बिकॉज दे आर अल्ट्रा कंफर्टेबल. Gonna check out Pedro now. This is a great store, Singaporean brand है if I'm not wrong, and there's really nice stuff for men in case you want to pick up something for your boyfriend, your husband, your dad. Very nice footwear. For food, we're picking up some bread top. We picked up 3 items. On average, you will get these for like a couple of dollars, so it is quite affordable. The best thing about this bread top concept is कि आप उठा के चल सकते हो. You don't have to like sit and eat somewhere and waste your time. You can use that time to shop instead.
When I used to work here, this used to be our go-to.
Yeah.
इनका packing technique unique is very power. Just pick this, आपने coffee.
Yeah.
While you're out of MRT walking towards office, you can just quickly.
Yeah. Quickly eat. It's made for that, right? It's very on the go. हम आए हैं. What is this brand called? Benjamin Barker. Very nice. Material is really good. So these are 2 for 85. Overall जो भी expensive brands है यहाँ पे काफ़ी अच्छे prices मिलते हैं. So I do suggest coming to the outlet mall. I don't think it's a waste of time for sure. तरुण का first purchase हो गया है. Those are headphones.
I have this.
ये भी अच्छे हैं. Ooh. $100, but if you buy 2, you get 50% off. Actually, Nike store बहुत अच्छा है. Like, there's a lot of variety and prices भी अच्छे हैं if you buy 2 or more. Aditya has joined us for the day. इसकी तबीयत थोड़ी सी नहीं, मतलब तेरी आंखें छोटी हो गई. कैसा रहा शॉपिंग अभी तक?
तेरे लिए मैंने कुछ खरीदा.
Yeah. Yeah. He got from this store called Benjamin Barker, which you should also check.
You saw the shirts, ना?
Very nice. In fact, you should check out.
उनके सूट भी है.
Yeah.
2 suit, 2 shirt, 2 pants, $600. 1800 रुपए. टेलर फिट कर लिया. और उनके शर्ट मटेरियल जैसे G2000 निकलता है वैसा है. Very nice.
In fact, G2000 के भी पोलोज हैं.
थोड़ा प्राइस चलेगा मुझे, but very good पोलो.
नहीं, इधर $50 का है.
वो
So we are in the Puma store and Aditya is trying on some football shoes because he's a football guy. यहाँ पे actually बहुत अच्छे offers है. It's buy 2 get 2 free on top of the discounted price already. So for example, let's say you get these shoes, okay, 69 plus you get, let's say you get 4 of these. तो 140 में 138 में तुम्हें 4 pair of shoes मिलेंगे, which is an insane deal.
Then the orange highlight by 2 get 2.
Nice.
down please slide
Finally इसने नहीं लिए वो जूते. But they were $47, right?
Yeah, $47.
Insane price.
They were not available in Dubai, this one. Others were at a slightly higher price or something, but football में क्या है कि you have to have an exact fit.
Exactly.
और police
140 dirhams.
बहुत सस्ता है. And now we're taking the walkway to Gem Mall. It's like connected 5 मिनट की दूरी पे to check out a few other things and then we have to head back to the hotel क्योंकि आज भी उन्होंने हमारे लिए एक एक्सपीरियंशियल कुछ तो सेटअप किया है 6 बजे. It's already 4:30 so ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं है. आ गए हैं यूनिक्लो which I think is everyone's paradise. ये लोगों ने काफ़ी शॉपिंग की है.
So fabric है.
Yeah. It's really good. And even the jeans, they fit quite nice.
इनका स्ट्रक्चर भी वैसा है ना. They 30, 30.5, 31 ऐसे भी मिलते हैं.
Right.
Not 30, 32 भी रहते हैं.
And you got shorts.
Shorts, pajama तो बैडमिंटन खेलने को तो बड़े अच्छे वो चाहिए. But I'm not taking.
But
I have a long sports wear.
we are back in the hotel because now they have come up with like this, what do you call it? A cocktails and mocktails in what, not infusion, creation workshop. कुछ तो ऐसा है at Manhattan, which is a pretty cool bar. So let's go.
Most excited.
This is the most gorgeous bar. Hello.
TikTok live.
Yeah, this is on YouTube. This one's YouTube.
Alright. Smaller menu will be our spirits list and wine list. So we are one of the biggest whiskies collectors and whiskey holders in Singapore.
Right.
If you like Negronis, this is kind of a little bit more complex than a regular Negroni. So normally if you do a fresh Negroni, it's very punchy, right? You can really taste Campari. When you barrel age anything, it mellows the tones down, but it expands the different complexities in all the drinks actually when you barrel age anything, not specifically the Negroni. Then past seasons, guest favorites, bartender favorites, drinks have been with us for like the past 10 years or so. So these are kind of always keep creeping back. Then some food and snacks, a little bit of nibbles, some desserts at the bottom. And then the rest of the menu is just pretty pictures with a bit more description on all the drinks. Got to keep you entertained somehow, right?
Nice.
Amazing.
So we are at Manhattan, which is the bar at Conrad Orchard, and यहाँ पे they booked us like this experience जहाँ पे बहुत अलग-अलग types of cocktails and mocktails हम लोग को try करने मिलेंगे, maybe some nibbles as well, and it's really interesting because if you take a look at the menu, look at this. We've got like nice pictures. इतना zoom नहीं करना इधर पर. Look at all this. It's like this is summer वाले जो भी drinks रहते हैं. And there's, I think this is autumn, and then this is winter. So it's really nice. So,
मेरे घर पे बाहर भी देखा है.
हाँ देखा है.
मंदिर के साइज का सामने रखा हुआ है.
मंदिर के साइज का बार.
Be like the Godfather hype.
For the vibe.
More of those vibes.
Correct.
Yeah.
ये हमारे सामने चखना आ गया.
That's popcorn.
That's popcorn and cashew nuts.
So how should we go now? Like, do you want us to?
Recommendations?
Yeah. पूछता हूँ.
Yeah.
बैठे बैठे चखना खा गया हूँ.
It's really nice though.
So this is our kind of science lab. It's also where we have our archives as well of the different barrel-aged cocktails. We have all our equipment, all our spices, all that kind of different ingredients to like make our own spirits, make our own liqueurs, make our own anything pretty much you can imagine. Wow. 9 out of 10 we can make it here. We got a book as well called the Flavor Book.
Yeah.
Pretty awesome. It's about cooking, but it's what flavors, match with what flavors. So like liquid rice, you can pretty much, it doesn't matter if it's a rum, it doesn't matter if it's a whiskey, it doesn't matter if it's like vodka, gin, cachaça, whatever. But it's all about the flavors.
Right.
So this is where we play around. So this one actually is, you can only get this once.
Oh.
But because the hotel changed ownerships, we managed to get it
Twice.
which is pretty cool.
Yeah.
So again, that's be quite rare for us to get, or any place to get. Which is
Nice.
pretty awesome. Little private room as well, holographic color room. So it's five bars.
Wow.
Hidden room. So this is our little private room that we let people hire and kind of do birthday parties and stuff like that.
Oh,
So
okay.
which is pretty cool.
It was his birthday about 15 days ago.
Yeah.
Was it? We could do it
Right
15
now.
days ago. Yeah. I'll just love you guys. We have our beautiful menu. So this is our second bodies. So it's called Guilty Pleasures. So after a night out, you go home, you're
Yeah.
a bit drunk. What do you order? What do you eat?
Yeah.
And you can't bother ordering, so you open the fridge and you have that 2-week-old pizza. You have those cereals, and you don't have any milk, or you got a little bit off milk, right?
Right.
So these are kind of like we asked the bartenders what their guilty pleasures are, what are the cravings, and they come up with this menu, which is amazing.
I'm not a risk taker tonight.
Let's just take up.
I'll just have a pizza, man.
Okay. That's still risky for me. I'm gonna do like some basic.
Of course, there's some risk in every drink.
Yeah.
There is. Yeah.
No, mine is very basic.
I just want to
Mine
see
is like
what
Pudina. basically there is this sushi style drink यहाँ पे जिसमें they use caviar, but it's not actually caviar. It's made from a soy sauce. Yeah, sure. So now we're going to try too. ये पत्ते पे इन्होंने डाला caviar, which is usually eggs, but this is vegetarian. It's made from agar agar. Let's see.
So when you cook sushi, you dip in soy sauce, right?
Yeah, that's the flavor.
And when the sauce, you take it granular.
Yeah.
That's just this creates.
Let me see.
And with this, you have
Nice. Unbelievable. Crazy, right? Garden in a glass, just as it says.
We actually get the pizza crust outside of the I mean, of course, not from people who after they buy it.
Flavor in the crust.
The crust has flavor.
You get the like a toasty, like bready notes coming from that.
Bread note.
They're making the pizza Manhattan drink.
तो सॉस के कलर में जो वो चीज नहीं खाया था
Really?
So we cannot know how exactly
Oh my
they made it.
god.
They're not
You
making
can
it
taste the
funny.
crust. You can definitely taste the crust.
And you can taste the cheese,
the cheese, the tomato.
Like I thought the pistachio would be overpowering, but not at all.
This comes through nice.
Wow.
Incredible experience. I feel like Manhattan is. It's not like I've been to a lot of bars, but जितने भी मैंने देखे हैं, this is like the best of the best. First of all, the moment you enter the ambience, it just takes you to like a New York. You know, all the little rooms that they have, it makes it so special. And I think that was my favorite. The speakeasy with, so basically the menu they curated was like late night when you go home, you're craving something and fridge में कुछ भी नहीं है, you have a little bit of milk, little bit of cereal left. तो उसकी और पिज्जा leftover पिज्जा उसकी बेसिस पे उन्होंने कॉकटेल्स बनाए हैं which is so interesting. I personally have never heard of it, and in fact if you come in here you don't want to pick from the menu, you just talk to the bartender, tell them what you like and they will craft one for you.
Everything she just said.
We have been presented with this phenomenal food. These are lobster tacos. This is fried chicken. This is some cauliflower dish. And now we have a mac and cheese. Honestly, couldn't ask for more. Conrad has spoiled us beyond what we could have ever imagined. So just a huge thank you to the team because I don't know. I don't think we would have ever experienced this if not for them. हाँ guys, review दे दो.
Must. I know. अभी मैंने थोड़ा पढ़ा मैनहट्टन के बारे में.
Yeah,
They're competing to be world #1 bar.
yeah, and I think they're on their way
On the
there.
way. Asia में #1 है.
Yes.
Asia #1 for last 2 years.
वर्ल्ड में नंबर 1 बनेंगे 2 साल में. ये 5 साल.
Because
Okay,
world
fine.
#1 का भी competitive advantage होता है. They will not let it go.
भाई, Singapore will achieve it.
See, it's not.
नहीं, because of how competitive they are.
But when you're talking about world #1, then food F&B, they are all crazy.
Yeah, definitely.
वो world #1, I think the world #1 chef, they shut down the restaurant.
Why?
He could not keep up with the standards. He's like, I am failing myself. He closed the restaurant. So there.
That's a little cray.
ये drink पीने के बाद I will go home and I will try
To make
some
it?
new stuff.
Let's do it.
I got some inspiration.
Are you going to create the pizza thing?
Yeah, I might ruin it 10 times maybe.
These shoes I asked Tarun to get, they're so cool. Love it. Looks so nice. सुनाई दे रहा है? हम जा रहे हैं क्लबिंग इन सिंगापुर बॉलीवुड नाइट. फुल बच्चों का क्राउड है, 18-19 साल के लोग.
33 साल के लौंडे लोग.
ये कॉन्सर्ट थोड़ी है, इतना लाइट चालू करके ऐसे ऐसे कर रहे हैं. एक सजेशन है गाइस.
जुगाड़ गो बैक.
नहीं ये आई डोंट थिंक ये जुगाड़ का. ओके एक्चुअली so we went for जुगाड़ night which is supposedly one of the like best Bollywood nights in Singapore, but my friend Nani, she helped us, like she introduced us to the event and all, but उसने भी बोला कि आज थोड़ा सा अलग था, फ्यूजन था, तो उतना मज़ा हमें नहीं आया unfortunately. See also हम बहुत बुड्ढे हो गए, वहाँ पे सब बच्चे थे and
अभी 1 महीने पहले 30 साल का हुआ हूँ. थोड़ा तो मेरे
अंदर मत जाना.
अंदर मत जाना.
बहुत सारे गाने वो मिक्स्ड विद सॉन्ग्स दैट आई डिडंट नो, तो जब तक ड्रॉप आता है मैं गाना गा रही हूँ गला फाड़ के एंड म्यूजिक ही चेंज हो गया.
और we don't know how today's generation is keeping up with us.
Yeah,
So we have become outdated. Basically बुड्ढे हो गए.
नहीं but we play better music at home. We nobody does house parties like we do house
One thing
parties.
I'll never do. Put your hands up के बाद सुनो. Put your hands up के बाद गहरा हुआ कौन बनाता है? गहरा हुआ.
And everyone was vibing.
समझा.
देख
गहरा हुआ.
I think you need to be in a certain zone for that. हम वो जोन में नहीं थे unfortunately. तो अभी हम निकल गए. कितने बजे? We left in 1 hour. 1 hour. Yeah, we survived.
I'll give credit to
Survived. Average experience unfortunately, and I miss Magic Carpet because this is MDLR कोई new club है, but it felt like कोई refuge area में clubbing करा रहा है. Magic Carpet was like a proper club. So I would like to say that Dubai nightlife is much better than Singapore nightlife from my current experience. And India तो अलग ही level पे है भाई, unmatched. This was where I got my first job. Like यहाँ पे मेरा office था अंदर WeWork में. So surreal to see it right now. 6 साल बाद. Oh my god. Guys, this is where my corporate journey literally started. I got my first job as a cloud consultant at Sears. I was here for 6 months. हम इन्हीं गलियों पे चलते थे. इसका office was like 2 stops away. And we used to meet for lunch.
यहाँ पे lunch पे आते थे.
Yeah.
This 2019.
Yeah. September 2019 is when we started.
Yeah, and then after I was supposed to move to Malaysia. You were supposed to. चलो.
I was supposed to,
Also move along, but फिर वो रात गई.
but manifesting that one day will
ये
come
कौन सा
back.
manifest था?
ये किया मैंने कि कभी ना कभी हम वापस यहाँ आ जाएं.
चिकन राइस खाएंगे.
वैसे लाओपासा तो
मैंने
चल के
चिकन
जाना
राइस खाया नहीं इस ट्रिप में.
तो कल खाएंगे. You want to walk to लाओपासा? There might be a satay this thing open. तो रात के 1:30 बज रहे हैं, but you can see that लाओपासा is still up and running. Of course सब stores खुले नहीं है, but कुछ ना कुछ तो मिल जाएगा. Like you know, you have this Kopi kiosk is basically where you will get chai, coffee, Milo. वो तो खुला रहता ही है. There's a laksa shop. There is like chicken rice or something that is open somewhere. तो this is a great place to come and eat. अगर आप कहीं पे पार्टी करने जाते हो, उसके बाद सब कुछ बंद हो जाता है, तो इधर आ जाओ. कुछ मिला? You want nice kachanga? ना गला खराब हो जाएगा. We are getting the chicken rice set. Hainanese chicken rice is one of Singapore's like national dishes if I'm not wrong. बहुत popular है, तो definitely try करना ये. This is the kind of food that Chinese people eat every day. There's like always a soup, there's greens, there's a big amount of protein and rice. In fact वो लोग तो इससे भी कम राइस खाते हैं. ये क्या सोया सॉस डाल दिया इसके अंदर, देसी चाइनीज़ बना दिया. And I've got my Milo. We are back. Whew, what a day. Unfortunately, this is our last night here. Tomorrow night we leave for Dubai. So now my strategy is to go take a shower, of course, non-negotiable. And then I'm going to start packing just so I know how much space I have left. But I have a very strong feeling that I need to buy like a cabin bag or something to take home some of the gifts that I'm buying for friends and family. I don't think we have enough space, but we're going to see what we can do to make it work. So that's the plan for now. I'm going to quickly take a shower, pack, wind down, and I'm going to see you tomorrow for the last day of this wonderful trip in Singapore. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.